power, strength, dependability. You need all three to get the job done right. With power and efficiency the competition can't match, Little Wonder puts your asphalt and paving project on the fast track. Little Wonder Optimax blowers move 38% more air than the competition, giving you a cleaner surface in less time. The Little Wonder Pro Vac has twice the capacity of the nearest competitor. Spend less time emptying the bag and more time creating the perfect surface. The Pro Crack Cleaner's dual belt drive has doubled the grip, minimizing slippage and lengthening the life of your belts. Plus, a large heavy-duty 9-inch twisted wire wheel brush obliterates growth and debris in cracks and expansion joints. When you need reliable productivity for your business, choose the most powerful and efficient equipment in the paving industry. Choose Little Wonder.